If you're looking to make a healthy salad, I would definitely recommend you trying this super crunchy, super healthy, and super tasty corn salad. Trust me, it'll be ready in just under 5 minutes. For which, in a bowl, you need to add in boiled corns. Then you need to add in chopped onions. Then here I'm adding in chopped cucumber. Once I add the chopped cucumber, I'm adding in chopped tomatoes. Now here, if you want, you can add in any veggies of your choice, completely of your choice. I'm keeping this salad very simple. So yeah, these are the veggies which I've used. Now I've seasoned it up with some salt. Now I'm adding here in some chili powder for the spiciness or for the kick. Next I'm adding in a bit of black salt. It gives a great taste to our salads. Next I'll be adding in some chaat masala. That's it. In terms of masala, those are the only masalas which we'll be adding, or spices. Next I'm squeezing in some lemon juice and then add in some coriander leaves. That's it. These are the only ingredients which we'll be using here. Then what you need to do is toss all of these veggies really very well with the lemon juice, with all the simple spices which we have added. You know, the sweetness from the corn, the spiciness from the chili powder, the freshness from the cucumber, the crunchiness from the onions and the black salt. All these very simple ingredients yet flavorful. Trust me, you will not finish one, but you'll definitely go for the next serving. Sometimes we feel like having something or snacking on something. Make this. Trust me, your tummy will be full. It's healthy as well. Try this recipe. Very simple and easy to make. Or sometimes you're on a weight loss journey or on a healthy journey, or if you want to take it on your tiffin, make this recipe ready in under just 5 minutes. Please note the measurement and the ingredients on the screen. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.